My name is John Innes, and I've been selling real estate since 2009. And one of the things that I really like to do is help people get the most possible money for their home, whether they're trying to downsize into something smaller or sell what they currently have to upsize into something bigger.
My favorite part about working with John is just his responsiveness and his ability to correlate your situation to many others. His experience in the field comes through with real life examples and not hypotheticals, and then he can back that up with data that you care about. As a data-driven person myself, I am very drawn to show me, don't just tell me, and John was able to do that at every turn.
In real estate, one of the things I really value is personal relationships. Whether someone's trying to buy a home or whether they're trying to buy a commercial property, I like to be able to figure out what they're looking for specifically and help them to have as smooth a transaction as possible.
My name is Ken Crute, and I'm the owner of the Capital Mortgage Group. I've been a mortgage loan officer for a little over 20 years in the Richmond market, and I've worked with hundreds of different real estate agents over that time. And I can say without a hesitation, if a client is looking for a realtor recommendation, my firm recommends John Innes. The results speak for themselves, as do the glowing client reviews. My firm does quite a bit of volume each and every month, and we need to have a realtor that will perform and deliver. That's why we recommend John.
I moved to Richmond about 20 years ago, and during that time I've really seen a lot of growth and development in the city, and it's become more and more of a desirable place for many people to live. And even this last number of years, we've seen many people coming from New York and Maryland and even coming up from the South because they recognize that Richmond is really a fantastic place to be.